everyone, welcome to the Walt Disney World Marathon Weekend. This is for the year 2022. This was my first Run Disney race ever, and it was probably one of the best experiences of my life, at least when it comes to running races. You are picked up in these nondescript white buses, so I was a little confused by that. No one working at my hotel seemed to have any idea, so just keep in mind that you are probably going to be on your own when it comes to finding out information. You will have to pick up your bib from the ESPN Wide World of Sports complex. Try saying that 3 times fast. It kind of reminded me of cheer competition, but basically you just walk in, judging by your bib number, and head over to the event. I was doing the 5K, which is an untimed fun run. They had quite a few different booths if you wanted to shop around. Personally, I was not looking to spend any money, so I did not do that. They did also have Jeff Galloway there. I was too shy to say hello, but this is him in the corner. All of the medals were really, really cool to celebrate Disney World's anniversary. So just check them out. And again, I signed up for the 5K, so mine was pretty cool and had Pluto on it. It's definitely one of my favorite medals. Okay, it's 3 a.m. That means it's time to head out to the bus, so we'll see how it goes. I ate as much as I could, so we'll see if it's enough. You do have to be at the actual race area by 4 a.m., at least for the 5K we did, and the race started at 5, so there was quite a bit of waiting around. They had some fun music and entertainment, so it wasn't the most boring. It was also pretty cool to check out everyone's costumes. I didn't dress up, I just wore Disney World blue. After you wait for a bit, they start to let everyone in by corral. This took quite a bit, so I don't think I even got out till about 5:30. Unfortunately, a lot of people did lie to get into a better corral. So if you're hoping to get a PR, hopefully you're in one of the first corrals. The actual start was pretty cool. Afterwards, we ran through the back lot of Epcot before moving into the actual parks. And I did take some clips of that. Made it to Epcot. GoPro's not working. It's France. Anyways, actually, I got a laugh out of these 2 gentlemen dressed as COVID. Too funny. So at the end, we got a banana and a little snack box. So tortilla chips, sunflower seeds, applesauce, goldfish, cheese. I feel like I would have liked this more before for energy, but that's okay. So here's the medal. It's pretty cool. Definitely heavy. I thought that it was gonna have like a bigger 5K, but that's fine. It's definitely very, very heavy. Very nice gold. So I'm gonna try and get a picture in front of the castle, and this little guy just spins. Overall, I had so much fun running this race at Disney World. I realized I did not take an outro, probably because it was so fun, I just forgot. But regardless, thank you so much for coming out and watching this video. If you did like it, then please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you all next time.